Ma'am, we have just created an app, testing app. Ma'am, help us to create that in this tutorial. So how can we manage that in GitHub?
As I have said, if you want your friends or any other developer to contribute on your application, just create an account on GitHub and push the code to GitHub using the commit message, or as I have shown you, just push it to the GitHub, and GitHub will provide you a link. If your repository is public, GitHub will provide you a link and you can share that.
Okay, ma'am. But how can we build or actually, I mean that why when we are deploying or creating in a repository, we have to push
Mhm.
some code so that we
Mhm.
can manage it and control that version. So we have created an app right now,
Mhm.
unlocking app application. So how can we get the code of that application so that we can manage upload it in GitHub?
Uh, Varun, I'm sorry, I'm still not able to understand your question. That's okay. You can ping me on LinkedIn, or yeah, you can ping me on LinkedIn. We can talk about it personally. So meanwhile, let me share a link about my feedback. Please, everyone, feel free to give your feedback about the session. Any bad, any good, whatever you think, you can just put it there, and that would be very helpful for me. And yeah, that's it from my side. And anyone having any issues or any queries, please feel free to ping me on LinkedIn. I'm always available for solve your queries. Thank you.
Thanks, Arpita. I would like to hop in here and answer Varun's question. Um, while you have been creating the Android application in the Android Studio itself, right, Varun?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, so there is an option in Android Studio where you can link GitHub account directly to Android Studio, and then you can directly push your code to your GitHub repository. So for doing that, you will first need to create the GitHub account and link it to Android Studio. So that is a brief overview I want to give you. To further work on it, you can just Google it, how to connect your Android Studio to GitHub account, and you'll get all the detailed information regarding that.
Okay, ma'am, got it. I think I found it in VCS section of the Android
Right,
Studio, right?
right. VCS is version control system, I think.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Others, I would like you to take over if anyone else doesn't have any.
Thank you, ma'am, so much. This could have been impossible without your contributions. And everybody else present here, thank you so much for cooperating with us. This was our first offline online event, and we were very nervous for this. And I'm so glad that things happened smoothly. Thank you everybody for your contributions today, and I hope you guys had a great time, and I hope you have learned at least a little more than you knew yesterday.
So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you very much.